Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I want to welcome you. As the weather gets cooler, cough and colds are on the rise, and my house is no exception. So today we are going to be making a Breathe Easy spray. This spray is very versatile. Not only can you use it to spray a room, you can use it to spray your linens, perhaps a pillowcase when you're going to bed, and you can even use it on yourself to help you get through that bad cold. To make our spray, you're going to need a few simple ingredients. You're going to need some essential oils, witch hazel, and water. In addition, you're going to need a spray bottle, and this spray bottle here is about a 90 ml spray bottle, a funnel, and I have a tablespoon here. Let's begin. We start by pouring a tablespoon of our witch hazel into our spray bottle. Next, we add our essential oils. The essential oils that I have chosen are ones that are geared towards helping relieve congestion and helping clear our nasal passages. So first, we start with 10 drops of camphor essential oil. Next is 8 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Now my eucalyptus, and it's actually Eucalyptus globulus, is finished, but I couldn't think of a better project to use the last bit on than this one. So I'm just going to pour the rest I have in there. I just need to remind myself to order some more. And then 5 drops of clove essential oil. Three drops of peppermint. And 2 drops each of tea tree essential oil. And frankincense essential oil. Frankincense helps to support immunity, and so that's why we add it to this spray. You might want to add your spray nozzle on and shake very well, making sure that you combine the witch hazel with your essential oils. And then from here, we are going to add our water. All right, so when your oil and your witch hazel has been combined, you can take the nozzle off again, and we can add water right up to the shoulder of our bottle. There we go. And you can replace the nozzle one more time and give your spray a nice shake. So in addition to relieving congestion and nasal passages, this spray will also help to clean the air and help with respiration, help your breathing, and as well help to clear your mind to improve your mental focus. There's nothing worse than when you have a cold, you just don't feel like you can think. And then here you are. This is our Breathe Easy spray. And to use, just point it wherever you'd like and spray it around. There you are. Here is to breathing easy during this season. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. And while you're down there, subscribe and press for notifications. And I will create with you next time.